Baik, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Konita Musair dan di sini saya akan memenuhi tugas mata kuliah dari Ibu dosen untuk membacakan teks bahasa Inggris. Langsung saja, The Importance of English Language. In addition, this article is about the global importance of English language, is placed in the past and present and how important it is for present and future generations. Keywords: global importance, communication, international level, language speaking opportunities. Language is our primary source of communication. It is the method through which we share our ideas and thoughts with others. There are dozens of languages in the world. Every country has their own national language, in addition to a variety of local languages spoken and understood by their people in different regions. Some languages are spoken by millions of people and others by only a few dozen. In global world, the importance of English cannot be denied and ignored, since English is the most common language spoken everywhere. English is one of the most used languages in the world, even outside of countries like the USA and the UK. Many people can speak and understand English. If you include people who speak it as a second language, in estimate 1 billion people worldwide speak English. On top of this, 67 countries have English as their official language, and there are 27 countries that have English as their secondary official language. Throughout the countries, the British Empire expanded and ruled over many different countries, including most of the honest Jews, Motionet, and many more. In many cases, the British forget the people they ruled of to speak English, and some of these countries still speak English, even if it is not their main language. People often talk about English as a global language. With more than 350 million people around the world speak English is a first language, and more than 430 million speaking it is a second language. There are English speakers in most countries around the world. English might not be the most spoken language in the world, but is the official language of 53 countries and spoken by around 400 million people across the globe. English is not just about being able to communicate with native English speakers. It is the most common language in the world. Currently, English is the primary language of not only countries actively talked by British imperialism, but also many business and cultural spheres dominate by these countries as such. It is a useful and even necessary language to know. Learning English is important and people all over the world. The key to study it is a second language. Many countries include English as a second language in their school syllabus, and children start learning English at a young age. English is the language of second of aviation, computers, diplomacy, and tourism. Now English increases your chances of getting a good job in a multinational company. English is the dominant or official language in a number of countries, including many former British Empire territories. The rise of the British Empire offers many clues as to why the English language People of want to know the best language to learn to get ahead in life. Many things they learning English. The international language is the best opinion. English is of course an excellent choice and is not enough to want to be fluent in English. In order to actually learn English, you have to like learning English. With the help of developing technology, English has been playing a major role in many sectors, including medicine, in, in engineering, and audition, which in my opinion is the most important arena where English is needed. If we want a career in travel, English is absolute essential as the international language of aviation pilots and cabin crew. I need to speak English even if you are not up in the air. Speak English accurately will ensure you are able to communicate with colleagues and supporters all over the world. Having a good under, under, understanding of communication in English makes it easier to travel around the globe because it is the main international common language for foreigners. Know English makes us as to get assistance and in many parts of the world. There are many valuable reasons to learn the language. 6 reasons why English is important. One, it is an international common language. Two, it is a language of academy. Three, it gives us access to a world of wide media online and written. Four, it comes in head when traveling. Five, it is assistant of you when to work international business or commerce. Six, it is the language of Hollywood. English open new career opportunities. First and foremost, learning English can help you pursue and obtain more career opportunities. There's the job market is global. Many companies need employees who can communicate with partners and clients all over the world. Very often, they means feeding employees who speak English by learning English. You could become a translator, a linguist, teacher, or an English marketing professional for a global company. Learning English is an important step forward to all of your goals. English is the top language of the internet. English is the most used language online, with nearly 1 billion users typing and chatting in the language. If you can understand and read English, you will be able to access and enjoy more resources online, and you can read world news, participate in discussion on a forum. If you can understand in English, you will be able to communicate with more people online and use many more materials. The possibilities are endless. Learning English open a whole world of entertainment. For you, it is hard to imagine a young person nowadays who does not speak or study at least one language beside their mother tongue. Globalization focuses so many people to communicate and cooperate more in a variety of business. But every language is important. It depends on the station. You need a world language to communicate with people around the world. With learning the regional language, English is the world language, and it helps you everywhere. English is also highly important as an international language and plays an important part even in countries where the UK has historical handwriting evolution. If you have the basic of English language, you can make yourself understand in nearly every corner of the world. One, English is the language of the media industry. Because of the primer of Hollywood in global media, an enormous amount of films, TV shows, and popular songs are written in English. Two, English is the language of the internet. English is particular, part, particular, particularly important language online, which more they have their content on internet written in English as well as these some of their word linguistics company are based in English speaking content. 3. Traveling is a lot as scissor which a called knowledge in English. A make you are spend person on holiday in Thailand. Will your hotel reservation may not be able to answer your question in Spanish. It is likely they will be able to answer your question on English. For English is one of the most important language for business. Whether you are a business owner, student, or employee, English is incredible important in the business where English is considered to be one of the most important business language to being the de facto language of the United States and the official language of the UK, Canada, India, and South America. 5. With English you can study all over the world. Skin English is spoken in so many different contexts. There are thousands of schools and universities around the world that offer programs in English. 6. English gives you access to multicultures. Good knowledge of English will allow you to access film, music, and literature from hundreds of continents around the global. Baik, terima kasih. Baik, itulah tadi pembacaan teks dari saya, konten saya. Saya mohon maaf apabila terdapat kesalahan dalam pengucapan saat membaca tadi. Saya mohon maaf. Akhir kata saya ucapkan wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.